Mini has unveiled the 2018 John Cooper Works Countryman All-4, which will be the automaker's most powerful model ever. Powered by a 2.0-liter direct-injected, turbocharged i4, the 2018 Mini John Cooper Works Countryman All-4 will churn out 228 horsepower and 258 pounds-to-foot of torque. A 6-speed manual is standard and an 8-speed automatic is optional. As its name suggests, Mini's All-4 all-wheel drive system is standard. Regardless of the transmission, Mini says the JCW Countryman All-4 will run from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.2 seconds, which is around 0.8 seconds quicker than the Cooper S Countryman All-4, 189 horsepower and 207 pounds-to-foot. Compared to the first-generation JCW Countryman All-4, the new one is about 0.4 seconds quicker. Other performance upgrades include Brembo brakes, torque vectoring, an aero kit, active dampers, and stiffer suspension. 3 driving modes, Sport, Mid, and Green, adjust throttle and engine. Note: for models equipped with the automatic transmission, the drive modes will also adjust shift behavior and have the capability of decoupling the drivetrain at speeds over 35 miles per hour, in Green mode. The JCW Countryman All-4 doesn't skimp on luxury and tech goodies as well. Standard items include LED headlights, panorama moonroof, parking sensors, and comfort access keyless entry. Optional features include navigation, premium sound head-up display, and driver assistance tech like forward collision avoidance, active cruise control, and automatic parking assist, lane assist.